Having trouble with your Google Nest Cam not recording events? You're not alone. This section explains the common culprits behind missed recordings. One common issue is software bugs, glitches in the app or camera firmware that prevent proper event detection. Wi-Fi connectivity problems are another major culprit. Unstable internet connections can interrupt the camera's ability to upload and record events in real time. Incorrect user settings can also cause missed events. Things like misconfigured motion sensitivity or detection zones might be too restrictive or too broad. Let's look at how AI-driven motion detection works. The camera uses sensors combined with artificial intelligence to distinguish between actual events and false triggers. However, this AI sometimes fails. It can struggle in low light conditions, where sensors can't clearly distinguish motion. Unstable internet can interrupt the AI processing, and shadows or reflections might trigger false alerts. Don't forget about firmware issues. Outdated or buggy firmware updates can interfere with the camera's event recording capabilities. These are the main reasons your Nest Cam might miss events, but don't worry, we'll get you on the path to fixing it. Let's start with the easy stuff. This section walks you through the most common user-driven solutions. First, we'll show you how to adjust motion sensitivity settings in the Google Home app to reduce false positives or increase detection. Next, we'll cover how to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection with at least 2 Mbps upload speed, avoiding interference from other devices. A connectivity check is crucial. Sometimes, a simple reset is all it takes. If your Nest Cam isn't recording events properly, performing a factory reset can clear out software glitches and restore default settings. If the reset doesn't work, try reinstalling the Google Home app. This can fix corrupted app data that might be causing recording issues. Make sure your Google Home app is updated to the latest version, such as v3.2.5 or later. Google regularly releases patches for bugs that can prevent event recording. Nest Aware unlocks continuous recording and advanced alerts for your Google Nest Cam. This subscription service improves recording reliability by providing constant monitoring and smarter notifications. Now let's discuss storage options, cloud versus local storage. Cloud storage through Nest Aware offers extensive features, while local storage has limitations without a subscription. Features enabled by Nest Aware subscription include continuous video recording, advanced motion detection alerts, and up to 60 days of clip storage. Without a subscription, you only get alerts, not full video clips, so this is something to be aware of when deciding your best solution. Camera placement matters. Position your Nest Cam in a central location with a clear view of the areas you want to monitor. Avoid placing it too high or too low, as this can affect motion detection accuracy. Set up activity zones in the Google Home app to focus recording on specific areas. This prevents the camera from triggering on irrelevant motion, like passing cars or swaying trees, while ensuring it captures what matters most to you. Avoid direct sunlight on your camera lens. Sunlight can create glare or wash out the image, making it harder for the AI to detect motion accurately. Position the camera in a shaded area or use a sunshade if available. Ensure your camera has enough power to record at all times. For battery-powered models, check that they aren't in low power mode, which can disable event recording to conserve energy. Switching to a wired connection might be necessary for consistent performance. Wired cameras maintain steady power and avoid battery-related interruptions, ensuring reliable event recording even during extended periods. Nest Cams use AI to identify human activity, pets, or vehicles, minimizing false alerts. Ensure you have person, motion, or sound enabled in your Nest app settings. The camera needs to correctly identify motion to record. Mismatches between sensor inputs and AI thresholds can cause missed recordings. Verify app permissions and use the Nest app's diagnostic tools for testing. Use the Nest app's diagnostic tools to test motion detection. A Reddit user reported their Nest Cam outdoor failing to record porch deliveries. The camera missed packages being left at the door despite clear motion. The community suggested updating the firmware to the latest version and enabling activity zones in the app to focus detection on high-traffic areas like the doorstep. This targeted approach resolved the issue for most users by preventing distractions from background movement. In a 2024 burglary case, A Nest Cam wired failed to record due to a firmware bug that caused motion detection to freeze. Google identified the issue and released a patch adding redundant motion triggers for backup reliability. The user received Nest Aware credits as compensation, and the fix prevented similar security lapses by ensuring multiple detection methods worked together. During a December 2025 Google Cloud outage, millions of Nest users couldn't record events for 4 hours due to server issues. Users switched to local storage on Nest Hub devices as a workaround. Google improved redundancy afterward, ensuring no repeat incidents and highlighting the importance of backup systems for uninterrupted recording. Schools using Nest Cams for campus monitoring missed vandalism events due to misconfigured activity zones. Staff training on proper app navigation and zone setup fixed 90% of issues. This case shows how user education, rather than hardware changes, can dramatically improve recording reliability in organizational settings. Future-proofing your Nest Cam setup means preparing for upcoming advancements that will make your camera more reliable and integrated. Deeper AI integration is coming, with Google Gemini AI providing proactive alerts that can predict potential issues before they happen. Better ecosystem connectivity through protocols like Matter will ensure seamless integration with other smart home devices, preventing recording gaps in complex setups. Hybrid cloud local storage options will combine the best of both worlds, ensuring recordings are available even during connectivity issues. Regular software updates and staying current with trends will keep your camera performing at its best. Community advice from forums and user experiences can provide additional tips for troubleshooting and optimization. By following these future-oriented strategies, you can maintain optimal performance and ensure your Nest Cam setup remains reliable for years to come.